Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and this little post is about the rectangle command in the new Sketcher in 2506. So as you can see, I've entered the new Sketcher, and here's the rectangle command. And when I click on the rectangle command, I get the point-to-point rectangle. Previously I was doing a reference rectangle, so that's why it's coming out in reference mode. I'm going to take that off and do a regular rectangle. What you can see though is when I click on the rectangle tool, it doesn't give me the other two kinds of rectangles. In order to get that, I've got to use the little down arrow and say rectangle from center, for example. There's that. And I can say rectangle by 3 points. That's a 1, a 2, and a 3. I could also lock the width of a rectangle, so I could set it at 90. And then when I click like this, it'll rotate until I click it, and it'll make a 90 millimeter rectangle, or a 90-inch rectangle, whatever your dimensions are. And that's the new rectangle command. I hope you enjoy using it. I hope you enjoy these posts, and it's quite a privilege to bring them to you. So please, if you will, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. It's a really fun thing to do, and I hope to see you again next time online.